Today I'm exploring Battle in East Sussex, famous for the Battle of Hastings in 1066. As always, I'll be trying to find 6 items on today's Rome bingo card, including some of Battle's most famous sites. So let's get started. Start by walking through the high street towards Battle Abbey. I've got 6 items to find, so let's see which one we can tick off first. There's the Abbey. Let's take a closer look. I really like the look of Battle. It's got that mixture of old buildings, little independent shops and historic streets. We're heading inside Battle Abbey now. It's owned by English Heritage and luckily we've got a free entry voucher. So let's go inside and have a look around.
The Abbey looks massive.
Hiya.
Hiya.
Got a family day pass.
Lovely. How many of you?
Just 2 adults, please.
There is information about our membership. There's your map.
Okay,
Would you
great.
like our audio guides as well?
Yes, please. Thank you.
So with these, as you go around the site, you see these information boards with numbers on them.
Yep.
Key that number you see in front of you, press play and adjust the volume.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much.
Lovely.
This is of course the site of the Battle of Hastings. There's plenty of history to explore. Let's take a look inside and make our way up to the rooftop. Let's see what's in here. Not a lot, just a toilet. This is a pretty good view. You can see right across the town from up here. Right, let's head back down and see if we can find some more of these items. It's hard to imagine this peaceful countryside being the site of the Battle of Hastings in 1066. It's pretty incredible to stand here and think about what happened on this very ground.
You look like a grandpa. The way you bend over.
Oh. We meant the way this chest harness looks like suspenders.
No.
That doesn't look very stable at the top, does it?
Does it not? Why not?
It's nice and cool in here. I wonder what this room was used for. Perhaps this plaque will say something. There's the church. Here's the ice house. Before we had fridges, these underground chambers were used to store ice and keep food and drinks cold. It's another little reminder of how different everyday life was hundreds of years ago. But it's not on our list, so let's keep exploring. Nice view, but no phone boxes down there. And that's the phone box found. 5 out of 6 on the bingo card. The only missing item was the sword, which means no full house today, so we're going to have to roll the dice. I hope you've enjoyed exploring Battle with me today. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Push-ups, let's see how many we can do.